Alright guys, so I'm making a quick video of my truck. A couple guys in the comments below wanted a tour. Excuse me for the back noise, all the traffic just passing by our shop. So like I said, this is a 2018 Ford Transit. I did not clean or anything. This is how it's every day, so you know I don't have a nice clean truck. You can see it's a little dirty here and there, but it's pretty organized. I got to fix a couple things. Hopefully you guys give me some ideas. We go from there. So I made this little diamond plate rack here where I got the PVC and my PEX piping sticks separated from my copper, black pipe, and galvanized. Right above it, this is where I keep all the scrap 2x4s, things like that. Any 5-foot or 6-foot PVC pipes that I cut, that's where I keep that. Anything shorter than 5-6 feet, I keep it here in the back. So any 1-footers, 2-footers, little pieces I keep there just in case I need it. So we're gonna start on the right side. This is my heating section. Got expansion tanks, Navian parts, isolation valves, expansion tank holder bracket, and a couple miscellaneous parts in here. And we go up here. Everything's pretty labeled. Smoke pipe, and you can see here it's all smoke pipe there. Got a gas flex, smoke fittings, reducers. Nothing fancy there. When we go here, this is the PEX aisle. So anything to deal with PEX, I use Uponor. Got a couple of Viega parts you can see here, but those are my transitions. Everything else is Uponor. So you can see it's all Uponor fittings. All right, PEX range, half inch, 3/4, you name it. This is empty, so this, you can see here, pretty much got everything. It's all labeled. That way, when I send my helpers, they can see exactly what they're getting in case they don't know where it is. Blue bins here are all PVC. They're not labeled. I had labels on them before, little tags hanging from here, but they were kept on falling. So pretty much I memorized where everything is. My guys know. If not, you can just pop them up real easy. I made this rack also. This is out of aluminum, so you can just slide them out. This is where all the traps are, and then I made them pretty tight so you can hear it. They click in, so they don't slide out, they don't pop out. This is more traps here, line traps, LA traps, things like that, and so forth. This is our Y fittings, all right, different reducer fittings. For you guys out there, kept on telling me, oh, Sandy T, it's not a TY. Well, here we go. This is your favorite aisle. These are TYs for us. For you guys, are probably Sandy T's. Like this is a street, so this would be a street Sandy T, I guess, for you guys. This is a street TY for me. So we have everything pretty much in stock, PVC wise, all here. All blue bins are all PVC. These are the test plugs on this side, and we got a Pro Press here, and we got a combustion analyzer, LED light. These are all our gauges in case we need to test water, gas, or anything like that. We have that here. Carbon monoxide detector that goes on to our multimeter. All right, and then I got this little handy thing here for all my supply lines. Every size, well, not every size, lengthwise is only 12s and 20s. We got toilets, basins, extensions, delta tube, things like that. All right, but all this side, it's all PVC. All right, then we go back to the back truck. This is my miscellaneous tool bag. This is just tools that I don't use every day and I don't bring to the house. Different screwdrivers, things like that. All right, this is the tool bag that I take into every house, every call I got. Pretty much I got everything inside here. I know you guys are probably gonna say you guys want a tour of my tool bag. It's nothing fancy. I got bare tools here, channel locks, you know, things like that. Nothing fancy. So go back again to the tool truck, to the tour. This is a Milwaukee Snake we keep on the truck. Our big ones we don't keep on it, just on the shop. We got a hand truck, aluminum hand truck, little giant ladder. This is the best. I think it's versatile for anything. Got some gas tight and some PEX rolls back here. Got more gas tight over here, and then in the back, little storage area, big pipe wrenches, levels, a broom. We definitely need that broom all the time. Little flanges here and there, set right flanges, and then our B tank, our map gas, which we did a tour yesterday. All right, so you guys know exactly what I have there for torch So again, on this side now, this is the left side. It's gonna be all black fittings, copper fittings, things like that. So as you can see here, I got everything labeled. We got 1/2 inch plastic straps, 1/2 inch copper, and so forth. 3/4 all the way up to 1 inch. All the bottoms all 1 inch. All right. So we got copper straps, Mickeys, drop your L's. We got any copper fitting you need, of course. All sweat, baby. There's no pro press here. All right. Everything's all sweat. All right. Anything we refer to copper is down here. Once we move up to the top, it's all black pipe. So you can see black fittings and from 1/2 inch to 3/4 and also 1 inch. All right, all the bottom is all 1 inch galvanized straps. The top is our compression valves. Again, you guys always say use 1/4 turn. I don't use 1/4 turn, so camera can't reach up there. So it's all brass craft multi-turn valves. Okay, don't like 1/4 turn. I got sweat. Compression is the majority that I use, but I still carry sweat. I got IPS just in case also. The bins that are not labeled is I use them for split rings, but we're always changing them, so that's why they're not labeled. I should label them and keep a drawer specifically for everything, but we know what they are. These are all split ring kind of hangers that we have here. You can see the little bell hangers also. All right, so we got pretty much everything copper related and black on this side. Then we got a little cupboard here on the side. We got Pro 45s, chrome trap. We got some Kohler fill valves, some strainers. All right, shower and kitchen sink, deep and regular. Once we go to the bottom, we got another little bin here. We have all reducing valves, relief valves, miscellaneous parts back there, vacuum breakers, things like that. Then we go on to these little bins here. Again, we got a pair labeled SharkBite, compression, and down here is miscellaneous. You can see it's pretty empty, the compressions. This is 1/4 inch bin. And then we got multi fittings here. These are for washing machine valves, dishwasher, connection. So miscellaneous parts that are not labeled. SharkBite, I don't use SharkBite. I just have pretty much caps and couplings, and just in case I have to do a quick termination, temporary fix, then I'm going to go back or just like turn on the water real quick. Brass fittings, all 3/4 brass fittings. Then we go with galvanized fittings. Then we go to 1/2 inch miscellaneous brass parts, so caps, hose caps, a couple of hose adapters here, and then 1/2 inch brass fittings. All right, so it's not super organized, but it's pretty organized. I could find everything. Then we go on to the top. We got escutcheons, washing machine shut-off valves in here. I'll show you that. So we got all types of escutcheons, every single size, tubular, PVC, you name it. We got a size for escutcheon. Cover those holes up, make it nice and pretty. Ball valves here, every size, all sweat again. All right, there's no pro press here. All right, I'll get to you pro press lovers. All right, so then we move on here. Wax seal, Johnny bolts, everything for a toilet. Show you real quick here. All right, I'll make some wax seals as you can tell, and these are all tub pieces. All right, all different size tub pieces. If you need a longer tub piece, I don't have a bin for it. They're hiding back here. All right, these are all longer tub pieces that don't fit in this bin here. All right, up here, these are little bins I have here for repair parts. All Kohler. It's on the first 3, so Kohler flappers on these 2, and this one is differently miscellaneous Kohler parts. So we got this flappers, the blue flappers with the float, without the float, all Kohler. Then we move on to this. We got Delta parts. We got shower cartridges before and after 2006, 1400 series, 1700 series, you name it. Last one is for mowing. I got all mowing parts here. You see here. All right, so pretty much stocked up for almost every brand in my area. All right, now we move on to the mess. This is where I need you guys' help. This is a mess here, and it bugs me every day. These are all shower parts that we have left over. So like stems for Gerber, for American Standard, mowing. We have everything here. I gotta try to find a nice little handy box that would fit in this area. All right, I need to keep the chop saw because I keep that there to cut my 2x4s or even PVC sometimes on a rough job. It's a lot easier to cut, nice quicker. So I need to find something here to fix this, and then we move on to another mess. It was organized, it's not organized no more. Couple bins here, miscellaneous parts again. We have all heating parts here and here. Just like you see, it's a mess. All right, I'm not happy to show you guys, but I want to show you guys exactly how my truck is. I didn't clean it like most of the videos I see out there. The trucks are spotless and everything's super organized. If you go every day to the truck's a mess. My truck's not a mess. It's just like this as you see it. Every day it's always, you can walk in it nice and clean. You can put a water heater in here, you can put a boiler, and you have no problem. And it's pretty organized. But anyhow, back to here. We gotta fix this mess here. This right here are big fittings. That's 1.25 inch fittings. And down here are 1.5 inch fittings. Copper, sweat only. Moving blankets, we cover everything. So I have a shitload of blankets. I have this, and I'll show you start bins outside that are full with blankets also. All right, so the inside, this is pretty much it. You can see everything here. It's all right. It's not too messy, but I definitely need to fix this corner up here somehow, fix that up there, and pretty much that's all right. That's livable there with the buckets, and you can't do nothing with that unless you guys think of an idea. Let me know and I'll try it out. On the door, we got hanging here some hoses. All right, 2 different sizes, some ground and cable. All right, that's the inside of the truck. Now I'm going to show you the outside of the truck. Okay, this bin right here, flux kit, ratchet. I got a PEX expander Milwaukee, and the original Uponor manual, baby. Still have it just in case you run out of battery. I got it. All right, next door, this is all the outside. All right guys, so now we got a whole bunch of parts here. These are all fasteners, electrical fasteners, screws, wire nuts, and then I got bins here that I have screws, different sets of screws. I got tap guns, you name it. You know, I got pretty much every screw. I got a little mini Home Depot here. You name it, I got every screw. Exterior screws, shear screws, every length and size. And I also got Torx screws. Those are my favorite. But you can see here, all right, boiler drains, some electrical components, more boiler drains here, some switches. All right, this is my electrical aisle. All right, some wires, and then these are sorry for the lighting guys, it's not that bright out here. So got some slip nuts, plastic, brass, poly washers. We got let's see what we got here, O-ring kit. All right, so pretty much that's what we got here in this area. All right, then we go on to this one. This is where our vacuum is. This is our tankless water heater kit, flush kit, and more. That's some more runners, towels, a lot of towels. All right, that's there. And then we got another one, extension cord bin. We got extension cords, more pipe wrenches, and we got different type of bits. Little step stool, hole saws, all type of drill bits in here. All right, that's that. So now we go to the other side. All right, this is the other side door. All my nipples, all nipples here. This is paint that we use when we hang up high efficiency units or tanklesses. We paint the plywood. We got 1 inch nipples, 1.25 inch nipples, 3/4, 1/2 inch, and pretty much almost every size and every length right here. Okay, that's the nipple side. Then we come here, sorry for the lighting guys, and then this is all our solutions, glue and primer. Yes, we use purple primer. We got some muric acid to clean up any grout that's left over that we need to sit nice and flush. CLR is a miracle worker. This right here, we keep alcohol in it. And so this is pretty much miscellaneous here, all WD-40s, blue tape, every type of caulk we got here. All right, caulk, silicone, you name it, Windex, and a couple tools here. All right, that's miscellaneous drawer. When we move on here, there's our pipe threader, baby. So we got some dies here. The Milwaukee, I didn't show it to you. That's inside the truck. I got the 18-volt Milwaukee die cutter. So these are all the dies. All right, snapper, rigid snapper back here. This is the pan I use to collect oil in case I gotta thread some pipe. All right, that's the oil right here. All right, and then this is our pump to drain the water heaters. All right. Next door is all our power tools. This I'm not too happy about it, but I can't find no way to store everything, so I have these bags, Milwaukee bags, and the pack outs, I had them. They're the worst in my opinion because they're bulky, they don't fit in my truck, and they take a lot of room. So I got the bags here, fill the power tools up. These are all sawzalls. This is impact and drill. I got the circular saw here, and then I got pretty much every tool you name I got here. I got PVC cutter, I got a jigsaw, I got a blower, a grinder. This is one of my favorite tools, which a lot of guys, I don't know why they don't buy it, but this is a threaded rod cutter. What a savior. A lot better than using a bandsaw or grinder. That thing's 1, 2, 3, and it cuts right away. Little Dremel if in case I need it. Drill bits. All right, so that's my power tool bin. All right, so this is a quick tour. Let me know how you guys like it. It's not a big truck and it's not super organized, but it does a trick, and I have to fix it. You know, like I said, that little corner I'm not too happy about, but everything else is pretty good. All right, let me know in the comments if you would do anything different or any ideas to fix up my truck, my setup. All right, see you on the next one. See ya.